Okay, here we want to work another absolute value equation. And we want to point out a mistake that's often made. We won't make it, but people often make this mistake. We have 3 times the absolute value of x minus 7 plus 5 is equal to 29. And what we want to do is find out and isolate x. What is x? All right, that will make this equation true. So the first thing we need to notice, y'all, this is the first mistake. These are not parentheses. Those are absolute value signs. So the biggest mistake a lot of people do is they fly off and put 3x minus 21 as if these were parentheses. Those are not parentheses. Those are absolute value signs. So we can't do that. So let's get back to it. So the first thing we need to do is subtract 5 from both sides, because remember, everything about these problems is about getting x by itself. Whether you add, subtract, multiply, divide, take the square root, it doesn't matter. We're trying to get x by itself. So we have 3 times the absolute value of x minus 7 is equal to 24. Once again, these are not parentheses. People have a tendency to distribute. Don't do that. All right, now, since we're multiplying by 3, to undo it, we need to divide both sides by 3. I'm going to show the work. Going to divide both sides by 3. And now we have the absolute value of x minus 7 is equal to 8. So now this looks, again, like the problem that we've already seen. So the absolute value of x minus 7 is equal to 8. So we need to set up 2 equations. We have x minus 7 is equal to 8. But we also have x minus 7 is equal to negative 8. So we add 7 to both sides. On one side is going to give us 15. And on the other side, this is going to give us negative 8 plus 7 is equal to negative 1. Yeah, you can check it, plug those answers back in to make sure they work. They will. All right, and these are our 2 answers. X is equal to 15, and x is also equal to negative 1.